Welcome to Family Fitness Food. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. Today's series on Superfood, we'll be discussing all about chia seeds. So, let's get started.
Let's get healthy.
Chia seeds are one of the up-and-coming products in the superfood category. Chia seeds are also known by their scientific name, Salvia hispanica, also called Salva chia or Mexican chia. Chia are edible seeds from a plant found in the mint family. This seed is native to Mexico, Guatemala, and historically was a vital crop in the ancient Aztec and Mesoamerican cultures. This seed has medicinal applications and make up an important part of the people's diet. However, today, the chia seeds are grown commercially in various countries and regions, which includes Mexico, Guatemala, Peru, Argentina, Australia, and the United States. This superfood's popularity is rapidly on the rise, with no signs of it slowing down. In fact, some analysts project total annual production of this powerful seed to reach 50,000 metric tons by 2027. One of the main reasons for the growth in popularity of the chia seed is there seems to be a rise in the global awareness of the importance of healthy food products and a clearer focus on a healthier lifestyle. All over the world, people are seeking products made with natural components that are high in nutrients, which does include chia seeds. With this increasing awareness, there is a growing usage of the chia seeds with the manufacturing of products, for example, protein bars, energy drinks, and other nutritional supplements. Another reason for the increase in production is there's been a rising demand for gluten-free products, and based on the fact that chia seeds fits that profile, this increases its usage in a variety of healthy foods. Before we continue, we must warn you that chia seeds can be dangerous if consumed improperly. According to research done at Harvard University, there are a few rare cautions when eating chia seeds. A case report presented at the American College of Gastroenterology annual scientific meeting in 2014 made headlines describing a patient who ate dried chia seeds followed by a glass of water. The seeds expanded in the esophagus and caused a blockage. Because they quickly swelled after absorbing liquid, it is advised to eat chia seeds after they've already been soaked in liquid or served with moist food, such as oatmeal or yogurt. Do not eat dried chia seeds by themselves. Look out for future videos where we can share with you some great ideas for some delicious recipes. Now, for the reasons why most would consider chia seeds among the list of superfoods. Chia seeds are packed with nutritional value, which according to the US Department of Agriculture contains the following in 2 tablespoons or 1 ounce. It is super impressive that such a small portion of chia seeds has such a robust nutritional profile, considering that a single serving is only 2 tablespoons. One of the more relevant benefits of consuming chia seeds is based on the amount of fiber they possess to help with weight management. Research has shown fiber can play an important role in any weight loss or weight management program. In fact, according to a recent meta-analysis of randomized controlled trial in 2019, evidence has shown that soluble dietary fiber slows gastric emptying, increases perceived satiety, and plays a significant role in appetite regulation. Consumption of soluble dietary fiber is recommended as part of a healthier diet. Go ahead and add some chia seeds to your daily menu if you're looking to manage or maintain your weight. Another great benefit of the chia seed is that because they're so high in fiber and omega-3s, consuming them may reduce the risk of heart disease. Soluble fiber, the kind mostly found in chia seeds, can have a major impact lowering the local total amount LDL, which is considered a bad cholesterol in your blood. This in turn can reduce your risk of heart disease. Links to the various studies can be found in the description box. So if you're lacking in fiber and omega-3s, look no further, because you will get most of what you need from a small serving of chia seeds. Eating chia seeds regularly may also help reduce inflammatory markers, which often indicates the presence of an inflammatory disease. Chronic inflammation can lead to health conditions like heart disease and cancer. Caffeinic acid, an antioxidant found in chia seed, can help to fight inflammation in the body. Chia seeds have several nutrients that are vital for bone health, including magnesium and phosphorus. When compared gram for gram, chia seeds have more calcium than dairy products, which is vital for healthy bones, muscles, and nerve functioning. We'll love to hear your thoughts on how you prepare your chia seeds, so drop us a comment. If you enjoyed this video, then give us a thumbs up and don't forget to share it with friends. Subscribe to learn more and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out with family, fitness, food.